Hello everyone. Today I have the HUB Keychain and the HUB ModPanel Mini from Alpaca. This is, I can't remember how many they've done. I'm sure it's over 3 different Kickstarters or more, something like that. I don't have the screen up in front of me right now, but this is sort of an unboxing. I'm going to do a review later on because I have another piece coming in from them too, which is their sunglass holder, and it's magnetic, goes on the same thing this thing does. It also comes with, well, yeah, I just said this. This is actually for your wall, so you can pop this off and put it on there when you're done using it. This cost me $32 USD, and it is 42% off from $55 US. This is my second time doing this video, just to let you know. That's why it's not in all of its packaging, and this is actually kind of ripped up, so I've already opened this. This is my second go, so let's get right into the video and see if I can do it this time. Bring this a little bit closer as well. Okay, so we'll start off. We have the keychain, which is a clip style that you can clip on to pretty well anything you want. A little bit of instructions. They're not too difficult. Put that aside, and we'll pop this open, which I already have. This is their mini, which I don't know the exact length. They do have a bit of a bigger one as well. It has 3M strip on the back. Pop that back in there. It almost looks like there's something underneath this. No, it's just glued. Anyway, it's that. So all you do is pull on that down. It pops right off, and from about a little bit less than an inch away, I think, maybe it's an inch, I don't know, you can feel it start to pull, and it just clips right in. Easy, easy, easy. Oh yes, right. And then to put your keys on it, so a lot of people would just use a clip and clip it on there, but you can also pop it off the back here by twisting on one of the sides upwards a little bit, and then you just slide your keys on, and then pop it back in, and you're good to go. So act like this is your wall, and you have that on there. You have these on your pants or whatever. Where I would be putting it mostly will be on my backpack strap. Take that off at the end of the day and just go over and you put it on there and you're good to go. I'll probably put mine right by my bedroom door. That way I don't forget anything. They also have an ID badge, sanitizer bottle with pouch, and it sits upside down, pointing down. Well, it does have a push on the lid, so it does close like your normal sanitizer bottles. They have a lanyard strap for your keychain as well, which is you have the choice of a USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to Lightning, and the cord acts as the actual lanyard that holds the keys, and it has a little button on it. You unbutton it, and you can take that take the USB-C cord right off. I think that's all the rest of them that they have there. At the moment, I do have they do have a sunglass pouch as well, and they also have an iPod's Pro pouch that has the same magnetic clip. Like I was going to say, I do have their sunglasses pouch coming in as well. So as soon as that comes in, I'll do a sort of unboxing on that too, and what I think of that. And once I've used these for a little while, I will do an actual review on it. But so far, I like the quality. It's very well made. Nice detail for quality, or whatever I'm trying to say there. The board itself seems well made. It's nicely finished and it seems very sturdy. But like I said, I will get into that at a later date. If you're interested, I will leave their website link, as they do have pre-orders still. Their Kickstarter is done though. If you enjoyed my video, please leave a like. If you're new, please subscribe for more content, and help me out by leaving a like and a comment down below. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.